How to create horror video with InVideo AI. Want to create bone-chilling horror content with AI? InVideo AI makes it surprisingly easy. Start by opening a new project and selecting the AI script generator. Type in your horror story, scene-by-scene breakdown, or narration ideas. You can include visual prompts like dark forest, abandoned hospital, nor creepy whispers to guide the AI in selecting mood-appropriate footage. Once the script is ready, InVideo AI will automatically pair it with eerie visuals, text animations, and even background music. You can customize further by selecting a horror-style soundtrack from the built-in library. Look for suspenseful or cinematic tracks. Add glitch transitions or flickering text to enhance the horror vibe. If you're using voiceover, choose a deeper or robotic tone for a haunting effect. You can also adjust scene timing to build tension. Once you're happy with the result, export it and upload it to YouTube or TikTok as a short horror story or creepy fact video. Perfect for Halloween, thriller fans, or YouTube shorts.